Forex Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're looking at the dollar index right now, and what I'm very curious in talking about this video is what can we expect out of the dollar index? Well, as you can see, we're looking at the daily and the 3-hour chart. So we have the higher time frame, and then also we're looking at where we are in the market maker cycle. So by looking at just the daily right now, we can see that we've been in a downtrend ever since September, the end of September. And now we've gotten to a point here where we can see where market makers are grabbing orders, which are right here on the daily. Okay, that's essentially on the 3-hour time frame. That's basically below these two peak formation lows. Okay, so we can see them grabbing orders, and that's basically what created this peak formation low here. So obviously we're looking for dollar strength right now for buys, and you could see that reflected on the other pairs as well. So if we take a look at like NAS, you could see essentially the same thing. We're coming off a brand new peak formation and off a failed reset, and then you could see now we're heavily selling right now. We do have market maker orders that are here in this area, but most importantly, you could see that we have this huge candle that was news where it basically left a big gap to cover. So I would not be surprised to see price come down and basically cover this gap that was left open here. Okay, we could see the same thing also in the US 30, where you could see on the daily here that we had right here in this area, let me mark it for you. Right here in this area, we had market maker orders that were above, and basically they went up, grabbed the orders, and then now are coming back down on the daily. You can see what that looks like on the 3-hour time frame. Now, important thing though is that you can see on the US 30 that this big move that happened, they actually already covered this gap here. So that's been covered already. So I'm kind of wondering how far down essentially do they want to go with this particular dollar strength. So that's yet to be seen. But for right now, how I'm looking at this is I'm looking for dollar strength. And honestly, I think this is probably going to last maybe until we get into the Fed chair announcement for interest rate hikes on the 14th of December, which, you know, depending on which way they go, essentially could help us determine, you know, are we going to go back up or are we going to go back down? For right now, though, the way that this is looking is for dollar strength. And so you could see the other dollar pairs like pound USD coming off a brand new peak formation. You could see also euro USD, same thing, coming off a brand new peak formation. So all of these USD pairs are coming off of either brand new peak formation lows or brand new peak formation highs. Okay, so one of the two. You could see that US CAD right now is about to reset as it's blowing through the previous peak formation high here. So you could basically see what's really happening. Brand new peak formation on JPY, so looking for buys. So yeah, so that's what is going on right now with the USD pairs. So for the meantime, right now, until something changes, I would only be looking for buy setups. All right. So hopefully this quick video broke down for you what I'm looking at for the dollar index and really the dollar pairs right now, until we get some different, news or something else that's going to happen. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope it brought you some value. If you like this type of content, guys, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the rest of your week. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.